I have never eaten such delicious fish! A recipe that melts in your mouth. For our recipe, we will need 1 salmon fillet. Cut it in 4 parts. Season with salt, black pepper, and rub it using your hands. Turn the pieces over to season the other side as well. This dish will surprise you with its taste. You will always want to prepare it for your family. We will also need 1 onion. Cut this onion in half, then into strips and dice it. Here I have 1 lemon. Cut it into slices. In a frying pan on medium heat, add olive oil, all our fish, and let each side fry for 2 minutes. I would like to know where you're watching us from, so I can thank you all for following our videos. I'm happy to hear you're loving the recipes. Reserve the pan with the fish. Now, in another pan, add some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, and sauté. Now add 100 ml of water, 200 ml of cream cheese, some grated mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir to combine for 2 minutes. Make this salmon recipe at home and then come back here to tell me how it turned out. I'm sure it will be delicious and everyone will love it. To finish, add fine herbs, the lemon slices, and the fish. With the spoon, wet the fish well with the sauce. Then cover the pan and let it cook for 20 minutes on low heat. And our salmon recipe is ready! Look how delicious it is! Now you just have to cut a piece and enjoy it! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye!